the center of the satchel. So the satchel is I8 and its center is called Murkers. So we are here, we're at Buttkarahi Tikka. This is a very famous, actually butt is the cost, and like they are very fond of eating.
Yeah.
So that's why a lot of people put kind of that cost name in front of the restaurant. So that means like it's going to be a very, very delicious and very famous. So the name is butt from the cost. And we are here today. This is the Pakistan right now, and I can featuring road right now. And we're going inside and we're gonna show you. Actually, we are here to eat some sort of karahi and some other dishes. So we're gonna get in and we're gonna show you what we're gonna order. And look at behind me, how big their cooking station is, right? And there's a sitting area outside, kind of a patio. If you guys can sit outside, they have the heater and fire pit as well, right? And
Where is fire pit?
there is fire pit. And they have the heater as well. If you guys want it, you can put it on. And there's inside one big hall, and there's a basement as well. It's got a family hall. So if you have a family, big family, you can come in and enjoy the food. So let's go inside, and I'm going to show you what we're going to eat today.
Here's their menu. Look at that, how big menu it is. Oh wow. There's live chicken. So they are actually organic and free run chicken. So if somebody wanted, they can come here, they pick their chicken and they're gonna slaughter it, and then they're gonna make it fresh Karahi. Look at that, guys. This is the setup kitchen station to Buttkarahi. Look how the guys are busy. There's a karahi going on. Beside it, they have a barbecue station. Then they have karahi station here as well. These are called karahi, like the special kind of a cooking pan. You can see that. It seems like a chicken karahi. And then they have their mutton as well. They are looking pretty much busy. Yeah, look at those spices. Oh man. Those all spices make you so much happy. You see that? It seems like one of the karahi is half cooked here. And then once the customer orders, they cook it completely. So look at that, how the guys are busy. They have marinated barbecue, all of them. Then they have mutton, lamb and goat, right? And on the other side they have a clay over here. They cook the fresh lamb in that clay oven. And look at that, the atmosphere. Oh wow. Look at that. How many people are here. Look at that. Okay, so today we are at Buttkarahi, that is I8 Burgers. This is the new brand they just opened recently. So we just came here and there's a lot of dishes like the Pakistani cuisine. So what we order beef kebab masala.
Oh my god.
Then we order coffee pulao and some naan. And once it's going to be on our table, we'll show you how it looks like. I'm very, very enthusiastic right now and very excited. That's going to come in and I'm expecting a very high-edge taste. So keep watching us. Thank you. So here we have our
As what I on the table.
utensils.
The plate
Right.
one. So how long we have to wait?
So it's going to take like 25 to 30 minutes. They're going to make it fresh for us. And I'll show you the cooking process later. Okay, thank you. See you in a bit.
So here's the ambience of the Buttkarahi restaurant, and the weather is so good outside. It's night time. Everybody is coming for the dinner.
So the baking process is they're gonna bake first kebab, and then after that they're gonna put under this karahi. So behind how they are cooking, it's a lot of steam. They put a fresh tomatoes and everything, and then they're gonna put the barbecue kebab in it, and they're gonna make it gravy as well. There we go. So they just cook the kebabs. They are peeling off their peel. He's thrown away. Now we're gonna do a takara. It's called takara here. They put here. Look at that. Listen to how it sound like, guys. Make the paste. See that? And now we're mixing with some other ingredients. See, like water, ginger, some other spices. Out of tea. Look at that. So he added some more water. And now he gonna, I think so, make pieces of the barbecue kebabs. So he looks like pretty much expert. Look at that. So I'll show you the product on the table, guys. Okay.
Guys, our food has arrived on the table.
So this is the final product which I just show you when the chef was cooking.
Yeah.
So this is the kebab karahi basically, and this is the kabli pulao. So those are the
Carrots.
carrots, right?
Carrots.
And these are the basmati rice, right?
No, Sela rice.
Sela rice, yeah. And underneath there's a big chunk of beef. You see that? Look at that.
Oh my god.
Look at that. And look how it is tender.
Very tender.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh man. Wow. Look at that. Okay. So it's time for taste, right? So let's taste
Try
first.
kebab or
Kebabs, right? So those are the barbecue kebabs actually. They barbecue it first and then they make us some kind of gravy and then they fry it with them, right? So I can see green chili, ginger, and there's some spices in the gravy, right? So let's do a rocket bite. I'm gonna take some ginger, some green chili, and I'm gonna put some. Oh man! You wanna try it? Looking so tempting, anyways.
Yeah.
Right? So let's try that.
the hot box? Oh, yummy. It's good.
It's a little bit spicy
Yeah.
because I put more green chili in it. That's a little salty, spicy. Very good.
Very good.
Very good. Awesome. This is the like a authentic Pakistani cuisine taste. Actually, I can feel it. It's gonna give you a little bit of hit of chili. It's really amazing. So let's try it. So, coffee. So
Your next attempt is coffee. Oh.
let's try that. Dig in. So
So this is the big chunk of beef. See that? So usually it's a little bit sweet as well.
Yeah, it's salty kind of like that.
Salty and sweet. This is the kind of a Pakistani northern
Very famous
delicacy.
northern.
Yeah, very famous. So I'm gonna take. Usually they use a beef shank, right?
Yep.
So I'm gonna take a little bit beef. I'm gonna take a little bit carrot, and they have raisin as well.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take raisin, and I'm gonna take a rocket ball.
Here you go. Wow.
Looks so delicious and tempting.
Wow, go ahead.
Let's try it.
So, how it is? It's good?
It is very tender. This is sweet carrot.
Uh-huh.
And salty, I told you, with a sweet and salad combination. And it's a typical coffee flour dish. And a little bit oily. It's very awesome.
And what's about the fresh bake now?
Yeah, well, so amazing, so tasty. They just bake it in a clay oven actually. They use clay oven here to give it a typical taste. It's very nice. So thank you very much for watching. And thanks for Dia behind the camera as usual.
Yeah.
Please keep us watching, subscribe and share our channel. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Bye.